All right, let's see here. We have all the tops built, C-channel installed. It's time for the finish work. These are getting stained to a special walnut. That special walnut matches this piece of American elm, and that's the one they chose. And we're working with maple here. Maple doesn't like to take stain nicely. So the way that we're gonna guarantee a consistent finish, right, is we're only gonna sand it to 120 for the stain portion. And then we have to let the stain dry for 4 days. That 24 hours they say on the back, it's a load of hogwash. 4 days. And we use 3 dehumidifiers and 2 ACs, and that just keeps it normal in here. Yeah, I know we have, holes in our roof, but nevertheless, 4 days. And then we're gonna go back with Clean Armor Sealer and then a matte top coat. All right, so the basic MO is gonna be 80 with the Rotex, 120 with this guy, and then I'm gonna do the edges 120 or 80 and 120 with this guy. We're not gonna wet pop at all. We'll see how it goes. If you wanna know more about UV curing finishes, be sure to check out the other videos we've done covering vestings and clean armor. I know they're gonna hate this, but all the companies out there try to sell you lights like these. See this guy? This light is like 25 or 30 watts. It only covers a 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch pass, and the battery doesn't really last that long. It's something like 600 to $1,000, right? This little light. Now on Amazon, you can get this light, which is 100 watts. It's probably truly only 50 watts, but we'll believe them. 100 watts, $26. And this covers the area right here, so maybe 4 by 5, right? $26. Now, if you want to cover more area, you can get creative and build your own LED like we do. And you can make a 200 watt light that covers a lot of distance, right? Now, if you're like us, 200 watts ain't enough. So you build that bad boy. But I'll get more onto that later. For now, I'm gonna start the sanding process. That was perfect. That was fucking perfect. And that right there is a perfectly executed lumber drop. We've got Wengie, maple, ambrosia maple, walnut, and that looks about to be it. But here's the deal. Lumber places send us wood to mill, and they pay us in lumber. So out of this whole stack here, we have to mill, I think, 75% of this walnut. We get to keep the rest of that. Right here we have a whole pile of ambrosia. This stack is some maple. These 3 pieces are Wengie. Got a couple pieces of zebra wood here. It's a good haul. You like them stacked? Man, I always love when a pile of lumber comes in the middle of a job.
Yeah, me too. Look at this bad boy.
Yeah, she's ready, man. This is all we have left on the sanding. We got 80, 120, and then the stain, and then we gotta wait forever for it to dry.
Yeah, well, sounds like you got it covered, right?
Sounds good, brother. I got this.
head, yeah, you don't wanna know. On your knees, begging for your life. I'm a 44 till you don't, now you're gone.
Double soaked, double white, brother.
Yeah, right.
You might as well just pour it on there and just fucking. Yeah. This is the best way to app.
Right. What are these? What is this?
I thought it was a big
What?
one. I thought it was 2 big ones, and then it was like 7 little ones.
What am I supposed to do with this?
String it up your.
Looks pretty even,
Looks pretty even, dog.
right?
Yeah. Look at that shit, man. Look at that fiddle diddle.